Yo, what's going on, guys? How's the audio? Something's wrong with my phone audio. And because I was making a video today, I uploaded it and it was kind of in and out. I think I'm going to get rid of this phone and get a new phone. Anyway, Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Please let me know if you can hear me by just typing in a couple of words saying, yeah, Tony, I hear ya. Give a quick like, a shout out, what's going on. Let me know if you can hear and see my audio here. I have a lot of updates going on, guys. Tons of updates. What's up, Jules? What's going on? Servando Guzman Optical Auto Works. We got a ton of people that are hearing me. How's everybody going? How's everybody doing? How's everybody going? It's almost Friday. What's going on? I'm gonna have a little sugar kick right now. Yeah, my TV cable is leaking on this sucker and I haven't had time to play with it. Anyway, guys, I uploaded a video that's going to be released tomorrow, all right, at 5 o'clock Central Time. And we're going to be talking about candies and whatnot. I don't want to give away too much right now because the video is made, it's uploaded, ready to rock and roll. Again, guys, hit me up in the chat. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from super quickly. We got some exciting stuff down the pipeline, including multiple projects that I've been working on over the past couple of weeks, over the past 2 weeks or so. I've been kicking ass, recording hours and hours and hours of content, and it's gonna be freaking crazy. So we got this project, and it's not done yet. So we got Idaho in the house. We got this project completely done. Did the roof, custom hood scoop. We have all the videos for this. I'm going to show you step by step how we did it. And actually, you're not even done with this yet. What's up, Oakland, California VIP? We're not done with this yet. We're going to actually buff the hood out. I'm going to show you how to get rid of some dieback and some clear if you end up, kind of drying out a little bit over a couple of days. We can go ahead and color sand and buff it out to make it look amazing again. Anyway, let's go back into the shop here. Toy, I have a video on this. Freaking battery powered buffer. I love it. Well, I haven't used it yet. I love it already. And then we get projects. We're not going to show you too much. That's all you get. That's all you get, because we got all the videos on that. They're going to be freaking amazing. You guys are going to love it, love it, love it, love it. And next month, I'm going to be doing something special. Next month is my birthday. It is my birthday next month. We're going to make a video on it and everything on the project outside. And I am going to gift this to somebody next month as well. So keep your eyes and ears tuned for that. What's going on, Brian? Engine oil from my brand new crate engine. Fresh oil filter in it. It's running really fantastic. Free buffer. Freaking amazing. And yeah. So it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Just stay out for a bunch of new videos coming out very, very soon, including all the candy paint jobs that we did to these tanks over here. I'll show you just a sneak preview of all these things we just created here. And then we have everything in step-by-step detail how I made these things. These are all custom lamps that I basically created here. Super, super cool. Again, I have all the step-by-step A to Z nuts and bolts on how I did these and how you could do them as well. So again, it's Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you're having a great Thursday. I'm going to get back to this car and change my oil super quickly. We got July birthdays. Are we back yet, guys, or no?